This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning, everyone. This is video number 5 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video, we are going to show 3 more functions: row, column, and int. Row function. This function returns the row number of the given reference, and if there is no reference was given, it will return the row number of the cell where the function exists. Syntax is very simple: equal, row, and between two parentheses you may say nothing, and it will return the row number of the cell where the function exists. Column function. Similar to the row function, except it returns the column number instead of row number. Syntax is very similar, as you can see here. So, for example, as shown, the syntax is, as said before, equal, row, and between two parentheses you will say nothing. So it will return the row number wherever the function exists. So for row 2, it will return 2. For row 5, it returns 5. And for row 8, it will return 8, and so on. For column function, it will return the column number. And as example here, for column D, it returns 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6, and so on. Let's do it in Excel sheet. Here I say equal, row, and 2 parentheses. Enter. It will give me 2. Copy, paste. It returns the row number as shown here. And for column function, equal, column, and opening, closing parentheses, it will give 4. Copy and paste. It returns the column number as you can see right there. Now, INT function. This function returns the nearest small integer of a given number. Remember, smallest integer. Syntax is very simple: equals and int, and between two parentheses you give the number, and the function will return the smallest integer. So, for example, as shown here, I say equal int, and between two parentheses I give the number in cell P3, for example. It returns 1 instead of 1.75. And as you can see right there, 1.2 is 1, 0.99 returns 0, the nearest smallest number. 0.9 wouldn't return 1. It will return the nearest smallest one, which is 0. And for negative numbers, it returns the smallest in the negative way. Negative 1.3 returns negative 2, and negative 1.7 returns negative 2. Let's say it in Excel sheet. Here we go. We say equal, int, open parentheses, and say the number is here in cell P3, and close the parentheses, press enter. It gives 1. I copy and paste the function here, and here we go: 1, 1, 0, negative 2, and negative 2. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next one.